Keto-friendly pasta. What if your favorite pasta dishes didn't need to come with a side of guilt? If you've ever wished for a way to enjoy creamy Alfredo, rich bolognese, or even classic mac and cheese without the carb overload, keto pasta is your new best friend. Keto Pasta reimagines traditional noodles using low-carb, nutrient-dense ingredients that satisfy your cravings without sabotaging your goals. By swapping wheat-based pasta for alternatives like spiralized zucchini, shirataki noodles, or almond flour dough, you keep the texture and flavor without the carbs. Zucchini noodles are perfect for light, fresh dishes. Shirataki noodles, made from konjac root, are nearly carb-free and mimic the texture of rice noodles. Almond flour pasta offers a more substantial bite and is ideal for creamy sauces. One crowd pleaser is keto fettuccine Alfredo. To serve two, you'll need 2 cups spiralized zucchini or 1 pack shirataki fettuccine rinsed and boiled, 1 tablespoon butter, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup grated parmesan, 1 garlic clove, minced, salt and pepper to taste. In a skillet, melt butter over medium heat. Add garlic and sauté until fragrant. Stir in cream and bring to a light simmer. Mix in parmesan and stir until smooth. Season with salt and pepper. Toss in your keto noodles and cook for 2-3 minutes until well coated. For a heartier option, try keto lasagna using sliced eggplant or zucchini layers. Or go creative with keto mac and cheese made from roasted cauliflower and cheddar sauce. These aren't just substitutions, they're flavorful reinventions. Keto pasta isn't just about cutting carbs, it's about discovering new ways to enjoy your favorite meals. You'll find yourself experimenting more, blending flavor with function. And with every bite, you'll realize this is not about restriction, it's about redefinition. What's the first dish you'll reinvent with keto pasta? Share your creation or idea, we'd love to hear your twist on tradition.